Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and it is time for a little SheetLoad rewind. I hope you'll stick around to find out what month we're revisiting and how you can download the free printable. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I stop by with some of my creative team members for a little SheetLoad rewind. This is when we revisit a past edition of SheetLoad of cards. Sometimes we just make a new set, sometimes we update it a little bit. Once you're done with my video today, make sure to go and see what everyone else has created. You can use the playlist linked at the top of the description box below, and I'll have it as an end card at the end of this video. I know that everybody would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love in the comments. This month, we're rewinding back to November 2021. This printable originally called for 6 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and showed you how to yield 6 A2 cards. This edition is currently in the vault, which means it is only available to channel members, but since we are revisiting it for the SheetLoad Rewind, all subscribers to my channel will have 1 month to get the free download if you don't already have it. Make sure to stick around and I'll tell you how you can do that. For my cards this month, I am going to switch it up just a little bit. Instead of using 3 different patterns on the front of my card, I will just be using a pair or 2 pieces of pattern paper. And because I'm only using 2 pieces, this is just going to get me 2 cards. Not necessarily a sheet load, but this is just to show you that you can use the sketch and the cutting dimensions to make as many or as few cards as you would like. Now let's take a look at the main supplies I used this month. Before I share a look at those, I did want to stop by with a special channel member shout out. I would like to say thank you and welcome to my newest paper trimmer level member, Karen Marshall. Thanks so much for your support. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You helped to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. If you're ever interested in finding out more about the perks of channel membership, you can click on the join button below this video. It does start as low as $1.99 a month. This month's cards are powered by Not Too Shabby. I am part of their quarterly design team, and last month Jamie put out this cutest kit, and it was called It's Gingie Time. I will be using the pattern paper and ephemera, and also the Gingerbread Coffee house stamp set. Now the stamp set was part of the bundle, which is no longer available, but they do still have the pattern paper and ephemera. If you want to check out my affiliate links, I do have those in that description box below. But do keep in mind that you do not have to use the same supplies that I do for your cards. Just pick out some 6x6 pattern paper from your stash, and you can either stamp and color an image or use ephemera like I have today. And if you don't have 6x6 paper, you can also cut down 12x12. Now let's check out that pair of cards I created. Aren't those gingerbread people so stinking cute? I just love pairing Jamie's ephemera with her pattern paper. You might have noticed I did switch my cards up a little bit. Besides only having the 2 pattern papers where this strip is the same as the background, I also added a vellum circle, the ephemera piece, and of course I changed up my sentiment. Here's a look once again at that sketch, and then you'll see just those slight changes I made. SheetLoad is always a great jumping off point for you to make the cards your own. I also made it a no scraps template by using what little scraps were left to add a little extra color to the inside of my cards. Let me know your favorite way to decorate the inside of your cards down in that comment section below. Now let me tell you how you can download the November 2021 SheetLoad of cards. If you don't yet have the November 2021 printable, as always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. We do just go on the honor system here, so make sure you've clicked on the subscribe button before you click on the download link. This edition will be available to all subscribers of my channel for 1 month. Now don't forget, if you're a channel member, you do have continued access to this through the monthly SheetLoad archive. You'll find the link to the November 2021 SheetLoad of cards down in the description box below, right above my P.O. box address. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and print it like I have, or you can download it to your device and just use it on screen. That is totally up to you. Don't forget, if you share your creations on social media, I do have some hashtags at the top, and you can check out the Show Us Your SheetLoad video, which is linked in the description box, to find out other ways you can share your creations either online or by sending me a card. Now don't forget to go visit everybody else in the Hop by using that playlist link, and until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.